If you want to quickly add or remove a website shortcut in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're just getting started with Chrome. This is a super useful trick if you visit certain websites every day and want faster access right from your desktop. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the website you want to create a shortcut for. You can type the web address into the address bar and press enter, or you can search for the site and open it from the results. Just make sure the website is fully loaded before you move on, because that helps Chrome create the shortcut properly. Now, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see the three dots menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From here, hover over Cast, Save, and Share. This menu has a few useful tools, and one of them is the option we need. After hovering over it, click Create Shortcut. A small pop-up window will appear. This is where you can name the shortcut. If you want, you can leave the default name, or you can type something more specific so it's easier to recognize later. For example, you might name it after the website or the task you use it for. Once you're happy with the name, click Create. Chrome will now generate a shortcut for that website, usually on your desktop. If you go back to your desktop, you should see the new icon right away. This is a fast way to open the site later without needing to search for it again. Just double-click the shortcut whenever you want to launch that web page instantly. Now let's look at how to remove a website shortcut if you no longer need it. Go to your desktop or the folder where the shortcut was saved. Find the website shortcut you want to delete. When you locate it, right-click on the shortcut, then click Delete. After that, the shortcut will be removed from your computer. This does not delete the actual website, and it does not affect Chrome itself. It only removes the shortcut icon from your device, which is perfect if you want to keep your desktop clean or replace an old shortcut with a new one. So just to recap, you open the website in Chrome, use the three dots menu, go to Cast, Save and Share, choose Create Shortcut, name it if needed, and click Create. Then, if you ever want to remove it, just find the shortcut on your desktop and delete it. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.